Hey guys, in this video you're going to see about 6 YouTube channel where you can able to learn about digital marketing tools and different fields in the digital marketing. Going to the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. The first channel which you're going to see is Mohit Rathi. You can able to go to the above section and learn about the description of this YouTube channel. But if you come to the playlist, you can able to see videos on email marketing, WordPress, and SEO. If you come to videos, you can able to see latest videos on email marketing course, beginners to advanced, and email marketing course on module 2. If you scroll through down, you can able to learn about different aspects of digital marketing. He also has a 2.2k subscribers. The next channel which you go to see is Clouds Data, and you go to see about section and learn about this YouTube channel. Cloud Data is all about getting the most out of your data. If you come to the playlist, you can able to see as they mentioned is about data like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, Google Data Studios. Videos will be covered in this YouTube channel. If you come to videos, you can see the latest videos on bounce rate in Google Analytics app plus web properties, and you can able to scroll through and learn about different aspects of digital marketing from this YouTube channel. Next, he also has 23k subscribers on this YouTube channel. The next YouTube channel is Jason Valley, where you go to the outdoor section if you want to turn your fashion or skill into full-time business and stay up to date on the latest digital marketing strategies. You are in the right place. If you go to the playlist section, you see more videos on marketing software reviews and outsourcing online. You can what is best for your business, best of peak productivity hacks, so you can able to learn about different aspects of digital marketing. You can also see transform your ideas into income or the tagline of the YouTube channel. And if you go to the videos, you see latest videos on video marketing for more sales, best free email marketing software, and lead generation strategies. He also has 69.46 subscribers for his YouTube channel. The next channel which you're going to see is Digital Deepak, where you go to the above section and learn about this YouTube channel. And if you come to the playlist section, you can able to see playlist on high traffic blog, where you can learn from about building website through WordPress from the scratch, and about digital marketing tools, about 75 videos on that, and about Facebook ads mastery. If you come to the video section, you can see latest videos on ultimate guide to lead generation and about tools in digital marketing. You can also see there are 75.3k subscribers for this YouTube channel. Next channel which you go to see is Measure School. We go to the about section and able to see what to take the digital marketing skills to the next level. We teach you the data driven way of digital marketing. You can see the data driven way of digital marketing. If you go to the playlist, you can see videos on AdWords tracking, Google Analytics, Google Ad Data Studio, and multiple aspects of digital marketing were covered in this YouTube channel. If you come to the video section, you can see the latest videos on BigQuery live training, a deep dive into data pipelining, and about install Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. You can see many videos and 109k subscribers for this YouTube channel also. If you go to the next channel, you're going to see Neil Patel. Many would have known about Neil Patel using all your number one source for all things marketing, and also see that he was like a top under entrepreneur under the age of 30 by President Obama, and a top under entrepreneur under the age of 35 by the United Nations. If you go to the playlist section, you can see various aspects of digital marketing were covered by the YouTube channel. You can also see that video section. You can see latest videos on ranking your e-commerce store on Google Model 2 Part 2, and able to see the SEO unlocked videos in a series based. You can able to see and learn about digital marketing from these uh, YouTube channels. And thanks for watching the channel. If you like to see videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.